Welcome to Space and Tech Solutions. We've been witness. Bit of Starlink up there for a warehouse. Made our cable because it's quite long on inside, fitted into the warehouse. With a cable running on that catenary over there into a porter cabin over that side. Inside the warehouse. Kitted out at the moment. Starlink comes into there. At the top of the building, made a cable up to there. A little decor will be attached to it. And then another cable running, not walking down there, all the way down to there, and the other decor will be on the end of that one. Cover the warehouse in Wi-Fi. It's a clean environment, so it'll be fine, nice and dry. Need insulation? Merseyside or anywhere else, Lancashire, etc. Feel free to get in touch.